The Parliament of India. The Parliament of India. Parliament is legislative organ of the Union government. Indian Constitution Article 79 to 122 Part 5 it deals about organization, composition, duration, officers, what are the procedure, what are the privileges, powers, everything explained about of the parliament. The parliament consists three important parts. One is the president, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha is called as the upper house. Lok Sabha is called as the lower house. So the term as bicameral legislator. Now, Rajya Sabha. The council of Rajya Sabha consists 250 members totally. Out of 250 members, 238 members elected by state and union territory and the method of indirect selection. The remaining 12 members are elected by president in the field of literature, science, sports, art and social service. The person who are well talented, special knowledge or practical experience in particular field mean the president nominate 12 members. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is elected to the Rajya Sabha from the force categories. Now, next topic, qualification of the Rajya Sabha member. What are the qualification? Now, first qualification of the Rajya Sabha member. First, he should be a citizen of India. This is a common for each and every qualification of the vice president, president under Lok Sabha. Similarly, Rajya Sabha member also. Second one, he should not less than 35 years age. That is very, very important. And third one, if you want become a member of the Rajya Sabha, not hold any profit under any government. That's very, very important. Next one, he should be a good mind and mental ability. That's very, very important. In case the person is not good mind condition, mean they are not selected as a Rajya Sabha. The next, sometimes the parliament announced or changed the qualification of the Rajya Sabha. As per the Rajya Sabha, parliament asking the qualification. The Rajya Sabha member, they need some of the qualification. The last one, he should not be a member of the Lok Sabha or any other legislator. This is the qualification of the Rajya Sabha members. Next topic, term of the Rajya Sabha. You know that Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Why it is called a permanent house? Mean the people not directly elect the members, so that it is called a permanent member. So and also it cannot dissolve. That's very, very important. The Rajya Sabha elected for 6 years. Once 1/3 of the member of Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years, they are elected for that seat. In the Rajya Sabha, the vice president, the third person, that means chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Deputy chairperson also elected by the member of the Rajya Sabha. This is the term of the house. Next, election of the Rajya Sabha. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected member of state legislative assemblies according to the proportional representative means of single transparent vote. That means the member of the Rajya Sabha, how they elected mean from the Indian state, union territory, state assemblies members are elected indirectly, so that it is called an indirect election, because the people not elect the people directly. Okay, the next one, function of the Rajya Sabha. So what are the functions Rajya Sabha doing? Any bill except money bill, any bill except money bill need to be approved Rajya Sabha to get passed. If we want to introduce any bill in the Rajya Sabha, we need a Rajya Sabha member support except money bill. If the bill stuck more than 6 months, during the time the president called the joint session, both houses, and resolve the deadlock. For example, if any one bill introduced in the Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha members not supported, mean more than 6 months they not supported. During the time, the president called the both houses of the member and solve the problem. This is another function. And this next function of the Rajya Sabha, it has same power as the Lok Sabha for passing any bill, constitutional amendment. What are the procedure we following the Lok Sabha, we introducing or passing the any bill in Lok Sabha, same procedure we are following in the Rajya Sabha. Next, the member of the Rajya Sabha have the electoral power. That means the member of the Rajya Sabha elected the president, vice president, other important ministers. That's very, very important. This is the function of the Rajya Sabha. Another important function of the Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha member can remove the President of India, Supreme Court of Judges, High Court of Judges, with the support of the Rajya Sabha member. This is very, very important function of the Rajya Sabha. The next one, the Rajya Sabha has to power to make state list subject into national importance. You know the list, some of the department maintained by the central government, that is general list. Some of the department maintained by the state, that is the state list. So when they make the state list, the Rajya Sabha member is very, very essential. If the 2/3 of majority members of Rajya Sabha pass the resolution supported, how many members are supported for the any resolution? Means 2/3 of the members need. Rajya Sabha can also create or abolish the All India Service. That means AIS. AIS service also can cancel by the Rajya Sabha members. If the majority of, suppose if we want to cancel the AIS, means they need 2/3 of members. So this is the Rajya Sabha function. What is the parliament part of the executive means? I said 2-3 part. I said President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha election term and function I explained. Next, another important topic, Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is a popular house of the Indian Parliament. Why? Because the people are elected every 5 years once. The people are electing the Lok Sabha members, so that it is very popular. So that it is a people. Sometimes it is called as a people house and also called as a lower house. How many members in Lok Sabha? Mean 43 members only elected by the people. Remaining members are elected. Remaining members are elected for president in the field of every field like arts, science, and etc. The person who are well talented in the field of any department like literature, science, sports, and arts, etc. So, and two important members are nominated by the president for Anglo-Indian community. So, totally the Lok Sabha member 545 members. How many member? 545 member. 543 only elected by the people. Remaining members are elected by the president. Different categories. 2 for Anglo-Indian, remaining for other categories. Next, if you want to become the Lok Sabha member, we have some qualification. What are the qualification member of the Lok Sabha? First one, he should be a citizen of India. That is very common one. Second one, he should not less than 25 years. But a Rajya Sabha member less than 35 years. But here, less than 25 years. He should have name, electoral roll in some part of the country. If you want to conduct the Lok Sabha election or general election, mean your name should be in the electoral roll in our places. That means any part of the country. That is very, very important. Next one, you should not hold any office profit under the union or state government. It is a common. If you want to become a Lok Sabha member, mean you are a government employee in the local government or central government or state government. You want to resigning and conduct the election. That is the meaning. Last function of the Lok Sabha members, he should be mentally sound and economically sound. That's very, very important. He should be mentally good person and economically solve all the problem only. You are become a qualified as a member of the Lok Sabha.